Hi,
Hello. Hi.
hi, Nancy.
Hello. And your name? How do I call you?
Yeah, my name is Durga. I'm from India.
It is nice to meet you, Durga.
Yeah, same here.
Are you having a good day?
Yeah, it's good day. And for you, I think it's night only, right?
No morning here.
Yeah, it's morning.
It
Wow.
is morning. It is not 9 o'clock in the morning. It is what, a quarter to nine, 8:45.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
So it will
And
be a hot day. It is summer here. I live in Spain.
yeah, for here also it's like a hot day.
So
Okay,
what time
and
is it there?
it's I think 12 o'clock, 12:30 or 12:15 like that.
Okay. And which
In
part of India are you?
I'm from Middle East part.
Okay.
Middle East. Yeah,
Yes. Pop it
and
into the chat because I always like to look on the map.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
And
Exactly. You have visited India. Have you visited India?
I have not been to India. Maybe one day. No, I have never been outside of Europe.
Okay, okay. No
No.
issue. If you get any chance to visit, then sure you'll try to visit it. It's a nice place.
Yes. Yes. My husband has always wanted to visit India.
Okay, yeah,
Yes. But we were working and bringing up children and not able to travel
yeah,
very
yeah,
far. What do you do?
yeah. Actually, I'm a working professional, working in a software industry as a software engineer.
You're a software engineer, okay. Do you work from home or have to go to an office?
No, no. Currently, I'm working from home, but it's a Sunday, right? That's why it's a holiday for me.
It is. It's a holiday for me, but I'm working on Cambly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Could you please suggest me some good habits or ways so that I can improve my speaking speaking skills? Because sometimes I feel like that I need to improve my speaking skills.
Okay.
Because yeah,
Do you need to speak English on video calls or telephone calls for your work?
uh, I'm using telephone calls.
Mm, yes. You have colleagues in other countries.
Yes, yes. I have colleagues in US mostly.
In the US. Okay. Yes. And how does that work with the time? Do you have to work the evening because the US
Yeah, yeah. Actually,
is
yes. Actually, my this time my office time is like that from 11 to 8. Like 11 o'clock in morning we'll start,
morning?
and then evening 8 o'clock we'll finish. Like
Oh,
that.
okay. And what do you do when you finish work? Do you have time to eat or spend time with your friends?
Yeah, I have time like that. After 8 o'clock we take the dinner. Then we will do some gossips with we like family and friends in call like that. We'll
Yeah, okay. So you live with family?
yes, yes, yeah.
Yeah. Who who
Mm.
who who is your family? Do you have brother and sisters?
Yes, yes. I have actually I have two brother and one sister.
Yeah.
Apart from that, my father is there, mother and grandfather is there.
Ah, wonderful. Yes. I have one brother
Okay,
and
yeah.
two adult children.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
They live in England with their partners, and I live with my husband here in Spain.
Okay, yeah.
Hmm. Yes.
They are living independently, right?
Yes, they are now. Yes. They are 33 and 35 years old.
Okay, noise, yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. Which is why we came to Spain to come to where the weather is warmer. Have you ever been to England?
No, 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 never.
You know, it rains. It rains a lot and it is cloudy and
Yeah, yeah.
cold in the winter.
Yeah, I've heard that like that most of the time in US, like, most of the time in England, we'll feel like that cold weather, right? So,
Yes.
and I don't like cold.
No, I don't like wet weather. I don't like day after day after day of rain. I don't mind cold as long as it is sunny cold.
Yeah, yeah.
Does it get
And
cold where you live?
could you please repeat once?
Does it get cold where you live? The weather, is it cold where you are at home?
No, it's summer only, right? This
Yeah.
time it's summer only. But after a few months like that, by October end, it will be cold. Like that,
Really?
from October to Jan, it will be cold. Then after that, it will be summer like that in India.
And how cold is winter? Does it
It's
snow?
not. It's not like that, like UK. It's
Okay.
like medium kind of thing.
Yeah. Okay. And when you go, continue.
Yeah, actually, I have heard like that. To improve the English, you need to speak more and more in English. You need to think in English. You have to read the novels like that. You have to read. You have to watch English movies and like that. But I'm not able to follow all those. So could you please let me know like that? How can I improve my thinking skill in English? Like that, how can I think in English?
I don't know. I really don't know how you can think in English. You are repeating English and speaking English very well without pausing to think what to say. Your English flows, but I would have to search on the internet. I don't know how you think in a different language.
Okay, okay,
Mm.
nice, nice.
Yeah.
Because
So if you
many times, yeah, because many times I have heard from the many like English tutor, they are telling like that you have to think in English, then you can improve your communication skills like that. They are telling. So I
yes,
don't.
I
Yeah.
have heard the same thing, but I don't know how that happens.
Yeah, because we are Indian, right? So first we think in Hindi like that, then we translate into English, then we speak like that. So it will taking time, right? Because yeah, because I think 10 like 3 to 4 years before, I was doing like that only. Like before speaking, I need to convert that one to English. Then we are speaking. But nowadays it's like that. I can able to think, but not like a native speaker is able to do this one. That's why sometimes I'm not able to speak it as a good fluency. With a good fluency.
Good fluency, yes, yes. Would to keep practicing, to keep practicing your English and listening to it and watching it and just trying to train your brain to think in English. I admire people who can think in another language, but I don't know how that happens.
Okay, okay,
No.
nice. And
But you
one
do
more,
speak, and I know Hindi is a fast language, you do speak quite quickly in
yeah,
English. Yes.
yeah, yeah. Actually, during the call only, we speak English, right? But that time we speak mostly with the Indians, right?
Yeah.
So talking with the Indians, it's not a like difficult task, right? Because we can understand their language and their tones, right? But sometimes you have to speak with the like people from the UK and US, right? That time I feel like that I need some improvement because their English is different, like their pronunciation is different. That's why. And there and one more thing, they are speaking too fast like that. They think like that I'm a pro guy, like I know English very well. Like that.
Mm. So you need to listen to podcasts or radio programs or TV programs where people are speaking quickly to attune your ears to what to
Yeah,
listen to.
sometimes I'm following this, but most of the time not following. But I need to follow, I know. But yeah, I will follow.
Yes, it is time, isn't it? It's finding time to
Yes,
do
yes.
everything to fit everything in. I know I should spend more time learning Spanish, but there's
Oh,
always something else to do. So well
yes.
done for speaking English. What about at home? Do your brothers and sisters, do they speak English as
No,
well?
no,
No.
they
Where
mostly
did
prefer. Yeah, actually in India, in each state we will feel like that. There different languages are there, like some native languages. So most of
yeah,
the people speak their native language in their.
yes. So when did you learn English?
Yeah, actually in India, like from class one and onwards, there's a subject of English. Like you have to study English, you have to read like poem, story in English. So from class one onwards, we are reading English, but are not able to speak it, right? Because we are only reading like there's some lessons, are reading some story, we are reading and writing the answers in exam like that. We are doing.
Yes, yes. So it's one class or two classes a week is not going to teach it completely. So you must have continued to study after school.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Yeah. Yes. When you left school, you continued to study English.
Yes, yes, yeah. Because I think English, this time English is a global language, so you must have the knowledge of English, right? Because yeah, about other field I can't tell like that it's not necessary or not. But in software industry, you must have to good in English, right? Then
Yes. Yes, I have spoken to other students throughout the world. They might be in China. I had a software engineer in Taiwan as a student, and they all say that they have to speak English on the calls, even if they are speaking to colleagues from France or Germany. It is still English that
survive.
is the common language. Mm.
Yes, because most of the software company are from US only, right? Like that. Previously I was working for IBM. Now I'm currently working for Accenture. So
Yes.
they are US company only, right? So many times you have to like that. You have to follow their instructions like that. Some CEO instructions and some
Uh,
instructions. Then you have to good in English, right? Then only you can
yes.
understand the language, right?
I see. Yes. So if you cannot understand your colleagues when they are speaking, then ask them to slow down or to repeat. When you are on a call, ask them to
Slow down. Yeah,
speak a
many
little
times.
slowly. Yes.
Yeah, many times I use this one like that. Could you please repeat it once like that? I was saying, but sometimes in a meeting like that, and suppose that there is a meeting of 1 hour, there will be
Yeah.
many people. Suppose that some people are from India, some people are from UK and US like that.
Yeah.
There will be, so you can't interrupt in between that time, right? Because
No.
it will be a disturbance kind of thing, right?
Yes. Yes. That is difficult. And are there many technical terms you need to use?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Mm,
But sometimes I'm speaking like one to one. I'm speaking. Then that time it's fine like that. You
that's
can say like
fine.
that. Yeah,
But online meetings are difficult, even if your native language is English. If you are on an online meeting, sometimes it is difficult to
yes,
understand what everyone is saying.
yes. Because sometimes due to network issue, it will be like that. Some interruption will be there,
Yeah.
like that.
Yes,
Yeah.
as well as a glitch. I mean, our signal is very strong today, but sometimes if there is a glitch, it will make it more difficult.
So apart from this Cambly, what you are doing like that? You are doing some permanent job apart from this Cambly tutor.
Yes, I am a virtual assistant, so I do freelance
Oh,
secretarial work for different clients. Yes,
yeah, it's a great work, I think. Virtual
it is.
assistant.
Yes, so I work online and do admin and secretarial tasks for different clients, most of them in the UK, some are in Spain, but always in English. And I do Cambly at the weekend and when other work is quiet, because I like speaking to people.
Yeah, I think it's good only, right? Because speaking to some people who are from other countries, so it's a like great experience kind of thing, right?
It is, yes, it is. It's good to speak with people. And our time is nearly up, Durga. So thank you so much and good luck.
Yeah.
keep practicing.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for your advice. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah. Bye.